Hi, I'm Arjun,
And I'm Chirag,
and we are the team behind the app Connecteens.
an app for adolescents.
Emotional well being is essential for teenagers. That's why we saw a need for an app that supports teenagers in managing their emotions. Our app has a login sign up where the credentials are stored in the Firebase. The first feature, My Journal, gives teens a private space to record their thoughts, feelings, and any significant events in their lives. Our app is designed with three key features to help teens better understand and manage their emotions. My Journal. Our app makes it easy to track their emotions by journaling. The journal is password protected, ensuring complete privacy so users can express themselves freely without fear of judgment. This space has also helped teens release their emotional stress. Explore My Emotions. The second key feature, Explore My Emotion, is based on simplified version of Plutchik's Wheel of Emotions. The app first guides users to identify a primary emotion such as happiness, sadness, or anger. Once they have selected a primary emotion, the app then helps them explore related secondary emotions. For example, if the user selects a positive primary emotion such as happy, he or she will be prompted, Great, keep going. But if the user chooses anger, they will be prompted to choose from secondary emotions like bored, jealous, or annoyed, helping them pinpoint the exact feeling. This process helps teens expand their emotional vocabulary, which makes it easier to understand and express their emotions. Moreover, users can rate the intensity of the emotion on a scale from 1 to 10. If the intensity of the negative emotion exceeds a 6, the app gently encourages users to seek professional help. If the rating is below 6, the app offers simple practical suggestions to help manage these emotions. These suggestions might include breathing exercises, journaling prompts, or self care techniques. Each secondary negative emotion is paired with 6 unique coping strategies, making it easy for teens to find ways to improve their mood. Connect me to my chatbot. The third feature, Connect me to my chatbot, provides a safe, anonymous space for teens to talk through their feelings when they don't have anyone they can trust. The chatbot is integrated within the app and can respond to sensitive topics with empathy and support. Before launching, we tested the app with a couple of our friends. They found the features engaging, especially the emotion identification system and journaling tool.
Thank you.